people know I'm a prank already from my backside. You catch me. Alright, no problem. Oh, me answer. Okay, wait. Hello? Wait, oh, this go. Hey! You look like me did prank that person already. Only sister, me not be people them number. And the man say, I did this though. You prank me already. So, you might go tune into the live now. Me can't bother with you know. Hey, woman, I can't allow your man alone. Allow your man alone, man. Sure. Prank the man already. I come and prank the man again. I must have on the live already if you are. Bumbleclaw, Goody. You come out strongy, man. Me I call him still. Goody, tell me what your name. Tell me what your name. For this one, you sound interesting. Goody, tell me your name. Yeah. Oh, your name there, man. Alright. Wait, let me go back. What did I say again? This one is gonna be interesting, guys, if we get the person. Lord God, he might ball. Lord God, me damn ball. Lord God, pony make me give people them heart attack. Alright, listen. Alright, it's a ring. Hello? Rajay?
Hello?
You know somebody named Keelia? You hear me?
Yeah.
Me the over hospital and me not even know how to tell you this because me not see nobody with the person. But one accident did up the road and the girl named Keelia, a fear phone me up and oh God, then just pronounce her dead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, girl, call him, please. No, me feel bad, me want cry. It hurt me. Oh God, me not no more dead prank. Please, no, call them. Oh God, what she did? Me call her. Wanna call him? No, somebody call him, please. That art. No, oh God, no. Me feel on you. Oh God, me go cry. Shit. Mama, why you make me tell him man that there for man? Oh God, you make me ball. Call him, girl, call him. Do me, I beg you, please. Call him, please. Call him, no. Girl, you my ball, you know? Jesus, our boyfriend, he love her so till, oh God. He love her. Oh God, he love her. All him ever eat me, he must call me and come. Me really feel I want that to me heart. Me belly a hot me. Oh God. Me not feel good. He crying now? She toes. She call him, man. She call him. Me texting her now. She said she call him and stuff. Call him, man. Jesus Christ. You wicked, sir? Woman, you wicked, sir? No, me, if me ever see, me not call, as a matter of fact, me block his number right now for what bad word he must tell me tonight. He my ball, you fuck.
Oh.
As some you and my man love me, no. Somebody can call my man and tell it to me, then me can go and so too.
Look.
Me I block the number, cause I guess I'm no one thing come back and cuss me, yeah, man. Me not do no more dead prank, yeah, man. Rather if you tell them, say, uno mash up her. You know what? Me not do no more dead one. Lord God, me no love it. He cry, he feel it, man.
What?
Me not tell nobody else, say nobody else dead.
Oh, mommy. Papa, but say, them.
My brother just text me. My brother said, remember when he make me tell, cause me do it one time too, you know. And people ball them. People ball. Listen, I'm tell you how drastic mine was. Mine was so drastic. I told my bro, right, cause he's on the live right now. I said to him, right, tell everybody that I'm dead, and then I was gonna lock my phone off.